Okay, well, last time we did a few basics, and so let's just feel the chi between our fingers and bend our knees a little bit, and then starting from our feet, going up the pubic triangle, up the front of the body, ripple, 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 and bring this beautiful blessing into our mind, body, spirit, relaxing our mouth, our shoulders. Now, if you relax from the top of the pubic triangle down to the perineum, then soften and open your thighs a little bit. And again, straighten the legs. And as the legs bend, just let the chi, let the feeling, let a rippling feeling go down your body. I was talking about the front. You can also ripple from the vertebra. And I like to kind of wiggle a little bit inside and find different vertebrae, different places to wake up. And then just stand for a moment and wiggle your toes and fingers and feel the gift of gravity keeping you stable on the ground and your head suspended. And then let's just start out. The very first move of the form is tiny. It's like you're in a canoe and you're just testing the waters. And so you straighten your legs, suspend, and gradually melt from the top down. Open your legs. So that's the first move. We'll do it one more time. The second part is go high as your eyebrows. Relax your shoulders, relax and open your chest. Let your heels of your hands push your fingers up so they go up in a circle. Bring your elbows in and stretch. And do an opposite circle. So you change the circle. And then go high as your chest. And again, relax your elbows and shoulders. Open your chest. And push down. And the most important part at the very end, relax between your legs. Relax your fingers. Relax your toes. And suspend up. And let's do this 2 more times. So feel it. Just sense the chi ocean. Straighten the legs. Shift the weight. Eyes your eyebrows. Open your chest. Push down and up. If your elbows come in, you get a little extra stretch. Circle the other way. Feel chi in your fingertips. The last one is high as your heart. And let's just rest for a moment. Smile, check your mouth that it's relaxed. Breathe. And one more time. And high as your heart. Now, we'll do it one more time, and I'll say what the martial arts application would be. So this is just testing. This is actually could be if someone's holding your hand, you could get rid of them that way. But here, someone goes for the side of your head, like punching, and you block, open, down, and then you squeeze, 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 and you can push them out if you were doing martial arts, which we're not. And this is Gong, gathering from earth to heaven through our body. And the last circle is high as your heart. If they were going to punch you in the heart, you could block, open, And then let's do some gathering. Very relaxed. And breathe and wiggle your toes and fingers. And that's those 3 circles, or 3.5 for the beginning stuff. And if you face me and put one foot in front,
Which foot?
whichever you put that foot, because I think it looks televised better.
A little bit.
Yeah, there. Okay. Now the first move is this, right? That's really good. Okay, relax your shoulders a little more. There. Okay, now imagine energy going from here out your fingers, and relax your fingers, and don't let me push you down. Just meet me. And that's the first move. The second move is open, and you want to pull me towards you. It's open your chest. Open your chest. Okay, so there. Now push me down. There. And then the other one's hard to explain, but I'll show if you did it to me. If you were here. Okay, if you tried to push that down, and I just go. And then
Oh gosh.
And so what you do is, this is like a toothpaste tube.
Yeah.
And here's like the toothpaste, and you squeeze, and your back goes out that way, and your hands go that way, and you go.
Yeah.
You just, so I move you from my
I'm
belly.
afraid of like knocking something over.
And then I'm going to sue you.
Yeah. But that's the kind of force. It's like it could just.
Yeah. So and every move is a martial art, because every move has, every circle has here, 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 here. So every move in Tai Chi would be a martial art. But I just like to use it because if you're too high, you're disconnected.
Yeah.
So the martial arts shows you, if it works for martial arts, you know your joints are aligned.
Yeah.
So it's a good teaching tool to do the martial arts and say, okay, I feel very relaxed here. Nobody pushed me down, so it means my joints are aligned.
Yeah.
And then this open the chest is so strong.
Yeah.
Push down and push up. Well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.